Here are the online photos editing tools that I would like to recommend. The first one is Google Photos at photos.google.com. Then you have Pixlr.com and Photor.com and Lunapic.com. So let's go through each and every one of these in detail. Let's look at photos.google.com. This is probably the most common and easiest to use photo enhancement tool. Let's look at this photo here. Click on it, and at the top right corner, click on Edit. Here you get to edit the light, color, and the popping effect. So the popping effect is like this, to create more contrast around the edges. And you can adjust the lightings here. You can have the vignette effect here. As you commonly see nowadays, you can adjust the exposure, the contrast, and a lot more. Then you have the color. You can adjust the colors here. And once you're done, all next is you could crop and rotate this image as you like this. And once you're done, click on Done, and it is saved as another image. And then you can go ahead and download it here. Next, let's look at Pixlr. Now, Pixlr is like the online version of Photoshop. So to try it, go to this button here, open Pixlr Editor, and make sure that Flash is running on your browser. So you can go ahead and open an image here. And you can go ahead and use all the tools available here. For example, this tool here. And it has the layer function here, just like Photoshop. And filters. And a lot more. Next, we have Photor. Photor.com. Now, I use Photor a lot for creating collage right here. So click on collage. Now, let's say I want to create a classic collage here. Click on it. Okay, so I go and import my images here. Say these images. And I could easily add them on this collage here by clicking on these photos. Like this. I could readjust them. This. Or I could also change to different layouts. Like this. Once I'm done, I just click on Save here. You could also use the Edit tool here. Click on Edit. And this is generally a photo enhancement or editing tool here, just like what you have on Google Photos. So you can open a file, open a photo here from my computer. And I could go ahead and crop the image, rotate it, change the color, effect, resize it, and more. And also, I could also have different effects here to beautify it. And a lot more. Next, we have Lunapic. Now, Lunapic at first, it may look very simple, but it's actually quite powerful. Now, what I use Lunapic for is generally to create circular profile photo. Now, let me show you how. Now, let's click on Upload. To upload an image, let's just say, for example, here, this image here. So let's just say I want to crop this image. I click on crop here. And I want a circular crop. So I just place this circle here. Then I click on crop image. So that's it. You can see that it's actually a circular image with a transparent background here. Now, once I'm done, all I need to do is to click on mouse over file and select save image. And I will definitely save it as PNG because I want the transparent background. Click on here and save. So you will see that you have an image that looks like this, a circular image, which is kind of cool nowadays.